So should we buy Palantir stock right now? Because the stock price has dropped by 14% since the last quarterly earnings. Ticker symbol PLTR has a market cap of 48 billion, revenue of 2.3 billion, net income of 298 million. They have free cash flow of 641 million, which is very impressive compared to the net income. And the price right now is $21. It may seem low, but the PE ratio is actually 77.92. Extremely high. Price to book value 12.84. The gross margin very impressive at 81%. Now, it's a software AI company, so gross margin is expected to be high since the cost of production is a one-time thing and depreciated over the years. Now, in quarter one, they reported increase in revenue for that quarter of 21% to $634 million. So this is driven by 40% increase in commercial revenue and 16% by the government revenue. There has been a lot of concern that most of their revenue is coming from government, and we can see that the increase in commercial revenue is increasing the confidence of investors in this particular company, showing that they have the ability to attract commercial customers. Now, this growth is driven by their product AIP and Sales Bootcamp, which is shown to be a very successful model. And because of that, they raised their revenue guideline to 2.689 billion. This indicates that they are extremely confident for the next quarter and in fact the whole entire year. Now, the valuation wise, are they undervalued or overvalued? I'm going to use a revenue growth of 21%, which is what they have been hitting so far, but it tapers down to 13% over the next 5 years just to be conservative. If I use this projection, in 5 years time, the revenue is projected to be 5.8 billion. With a gross margin of 80% and a free cash flow margin of 25%, using discounted cash flow, we can project their market value in 5 years time to be 25.3 billion in terms of market cap. Looking at the market cap right now is 48 billion. So why is there such a big difference, and why do we project the market cap to go down? It's because of the high valuation right now, and for discounted cash flow, we do not take into any multiples. It's a very conservative way of approaching this valuation, and based on this valuation, Palantir is extremely overpriced. So disclaimer, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell the stock, and I do not own any Palantir stocks.